So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is RJ Salalam. My presentation is about graphic and visual computing. So, let's start. First one, graphic and visual computing. The graphic and visual computing is a field of computer science that deals with creating, processing, and displaying visual content such as image, animations, and 3D models using computer. So, ang graphic and visual computing, yung mga nakikita natin larawan, mga like movie na 3D, tsaka mga gaming na like character. So, yun yung mga sinasabi na graphic and visual computing. So, second one is, what are the main component of computer graphic computer? So, ito yung mga basic na computer na nakikita natin. The main component of computer graphics systems are yung input device. So, yung input device used to enter data and command such a keyboard, mouse, scanner, and graphic tables. So, common na to guys, yung input device. Yung nakikita natin sa computer. Mga natatouch. So, processing. Ang processing done by the CPU and GPU which create, manipulate, and render graphic. So, yung processing, yung siya lang yung magpo-process to create, manipulate. Yun lang. Output device. So, yung output device used to display result such as monitor, printer, projector. So, iba yung input tsaka output. Yung output, which is yung nakikita din natin sa computer, like monitor. Alam na natin yung monitor, mga screen ng computer, tsaka mga printer. So, next one, how does visual computing differs from traditional computer graphics? Visual computing is a bit broader than traditional computer graphic. So, dito tayo sa focus. Dito sa focus may laman na computer graphics. Computer graphics mainly focus on creating and showing image, animation, or 3D model na. Ito yung sinasabi ko na nabanggit ko kanina, yung graphic at saka visual. Mga nagpapakita sila ng mga image na like 3D mga nakikita natin sa mga movie. Last thing is, visual computing not only create image but also analyze and understand visual data. So, hindi lang siya mag-create ng mga image. So, nag-analyze din sila ng mga ano ba yung like mag-analyze sila kung ano yung ipapalabas nila, kung anong i-edit mo. So, next one is scope. Ang scope ay may dalawa ding laman. Computer graphic is a deals with making visual look good. Yung scope naman, which is siya yung nagpapalinis or nagpapaganda ng view. Then, visual computing including understanding visual, like recognizing face, interpreting, scan, visualizing big data. So, like sinabi kong kanina, hindi lang mag-edit or hindi yung basta-basta mag-create ka ng image dapat understand muna bago ka mag-edit. Then dito naman sa ika-third, real world application. Computer graphic, video game, movie, UI design. So ito na nga yung sinasabi natin yung computer graphic, yung mga nakikita natin sa mga game at saka mga movie na 3D. So sa game naman yung mga karakter, yung mga pagka-realistic ng mga bagay. So visual computing. So dito tayo sa visual computing, medical imaging, AR, VR, facial recognizing and data visualization. So dito naman sa visual computing na to, sa real world application, yung pinag-uusapan dito which is mga medical imaging. So mga yung ginagamit sa mga hospital pang medical, like mga another example, facial recognition, yung nakikita ka ng mga ay yung yung nare-recognize ka ng mga cellphones. In short, ang computer graphic is about making visual, while visual computer is about making and understanding visual. So next one, what is the role of rendering and visualizations in visual computing? Dito tayo sa visual computing, rendering and visualizations. It helps turn data and model into a picture that are easy to see and understand. So yung tinatawag na computing, rendering and visualization, siya yung tumutulong magpaganda ng mga larawan, like easy lang to understand ba. Rendering, ito yung rendering, make image look real by adding light, shadow, color and textures. Yung parang gagawa ka ng 3D na kasi may shadow, light, tsaka mga color textures. So sa visualizations tayo, show complex informations in simple way like charts, graph and or 3D model. Yung visualization naman, which is mga graph, 3D, yung mga yung mga pictures, larawan na ginagamit na 3D. Together they help us to see things clear, understand information better and make smart decisions for what we see. So this is just an conclusions. And thank you for watching and wassalam.